How to log into Wells Fargo Bank online. Whether you are checking your balance or paying bills, logging in is quick and easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to log into a Wells Fargo bank account securely. Let's dive in. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in wellsfargo.com and then search for it. Once you're on the official website, at the top right, you'll see the option of Sign On. Click on it. Now go ahead and type in your credentials. Firstly, type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign On. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken directly to your account dashboard. If you are having trouble logging in, double check that your username and the password are correct. And that's how you log into your Wells Fargo account online. Whether on the website or mobile app, accessing your account is simple and secure. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.